for each user story, you will have one owner. See, in user story, you will be having a particular field called assignee, right? See here, you will be having a assignee, right?
Yeah.
So you need to always ensure that all the user stories are assigned to someone, and that particular person is responsible for creating the subtask. Okay, suppose if someone is not creating a subtask, you need to educate them. You need to tell them the importance of subtask, because see here, if you are creating a subtask, you will be able to understand that, okay, this subtask involves development, unit testing, and then like QA testing and also performance testing, right? So, and you will be able to understand the progress also. So what team will do is, first the development subtask team will move to in progress, and remaining subtask will be in to do status. There are three status, right? One is to do, in progress, and done, right?
This is quite confusing. See,
okay.
You're saying that like, see, one user stories will be assigned to one developer, right?
Correct.
So how come that? Okay, that is user story will be divided into subtasks.
Correct.
Even we can assign that subtask to do, progress, and done, something like that. We can put it in the three criteria.
Okay. Let me explain. Okay, so you're having like a login page. One login page, you're just having one user story, right? So what you're going to do is, this is the user story. So you're having these subtasks. I'm just having in this way. Okay. What I'm going to do is, I will just tell you in a very clear manner so that you will be able to understand. DB Connect or okay. Okay. Now this user story, consider that this user story is assigned to John. Okay, this user story has been assigned to John. Now he is the owner. That means the developers are the owners of the user story. Always remember this. Okay. He is the developer. So this user story has been assigned to John. Now, after the sprint planning, he will create this subtask. Okay, he will create this subtask development, and there will be an option to assign the subtask to someone that he can itself do. So anyway, this story, he is the owner, right? So that subtask also, he is the one who is going to work. Correct?
But the developer will not work in testing, right? How can?
I'm coming. I haven't completed. See here, development subtask alone, John is going to work. Unit testing, it is going to assign it to John only, because John is the one who is going to work. QA testing, consider that Jenny is the tester. Okay, so Jenny is the tester, and also consider that Mike is the performance testing tester. So now you are able to understand. First, this creation of user stories, everything the owner of the user story will be doing. This development subtask, he will assign it to John. Unit testing will be assigned to John. QA testing will be assigned to Jenny. Performance testing will be assigned to Mike. Okay. Now, what John will do is, John will start working on this story, right? So initially this will be in to do, right? To do status. Correct? He is going to move to in progress. Then once development is done, he is going to move this to done.
Okay.
That means only development is completed for the story. Now he is going to move this. The meaning is that only this task will be in progress and the remaining will be in to do only right now. Because once the stage one is completed, only we can move to the next stage, right? So to do. Now he has completed this. Now he is going to move the to do status to in progress, same thing for the next subtask, and then he is going to mark done once unit testing is completed. Okay. Now he is going to notify the QA testing. That means Jenny, he is going to inform Jenny that, hey Jenny, I have completed with unit testing and development. So now you can test the story, user story. Now what Jenny will do, initially this is in to do, right? So once she is starting to work on the user story, test the user story, she is going to move the QA testing to in progress. And then once it is done, she's going to mark this as done. Okay. Next, performance testing also same thing. Then Mike will be working on this, and at last, product owner review. There will be a subtask for that. So that should be assigned to the product owner. So once this product owner is telling that this particular user story is meeting the definition of done, that means now you are able to understand, right? All the subtasks under the stories are done, right? See, so development is done, unit testing is done, QA testing is done, performance testing is done, product owner review has been done. Now only this user story can be closed. At last, John can close this user story. Now you are able to understand the entire.
Yes, I'm able to understand. If you don't mind,